Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, select the shape layers for foots. Let's select like this and click toggle switch modes. Let's click this icon and go to click this icon for hide all layers. Again, click toggle switch modes. And in this time, select this muff layer, link to layer body, select eye white and eyeball, link to body, and select body. Let's zoom here and go to anchor point, move the anchor point down like this. Click selection tool and press R. Let's see. Okay, I will animate rotation like this and select this eyeball. And let's go to matte. Let's drag matte to eye white and select eye white. Let's enable. So right now I can move eyeball layer into the eye white like this. And let's go to here. Let's select this eyeball and let's press P, create new path in keyframe, and go to 2 keyframes. For shortcut you can press page down keyboard 1, 2, and let's move it down like this. And go to here, let's create new path in keyframe again, go to 2 keyframes, let's zoom in here and move to like this. Okay, so select keyframes and make it easy. Let's preview animation and select 2 keyframes, move to right and go to here. Let's create new path in keyframe again, go to 2 keyframes and move to back like this. Let's see. Okay, so and in this time select body, press R and let's create new rotation keyframe, go to 2 keyframes and chain rotation 3. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, make it easy and select last keyframe. Let's move to right for 2 keyframes and select these 2 body keyframes, move to left like this. Okay, and go to here. Let's create new rotation keyframe again and go to here, change 1 and go to here, create rotation keyframe again, go to 5 keyframes, change 0. And let's add bounce animation. Go to here and hold shift, press P. Let's create new path in keyframe and go to middle. Let's move to down a little bit. Go to next keyframe, select first keyframe, copy paste and make it easy. Let's see. Okay, funny. And let's zoom to keyframes and select all keyframes, hold alt, move to right. Let's see. Okay, and let's select these next keyframes, move to right for more slow animation. And here select position keyframes, copy and paste. And select last keyframes, move to here, and this move to here. Okay, again select 3 passing keyframes, copy and paste. Okay, nice. And select this eye white, press S, open scale, click scale icon. And here let's create scale keyframe and go to 3 keyframes, 1 to 3. Change scale 5. Again scale keyframe 1 to 3, change 100 and make it easy. Let's see. Okay, that's good. And go to here, let's Ctrl V for paste keyframes. Nice. And go to here again, paste keyframes. Okay, very good. And select work area, let's press N. And in this time, go to layer, new and create null object. Hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon for move the anchor point center, Clickation tool, and move the center like this. Go to window, enable align, click this icon for move to center and this icon. So in this time select this eyeball, eye white and muff layer. Link to null object, select null, link to body. And right now I can move face elements with null object. And let's go to here, press P, create new position keyframe, and go to here. Let's move it down. Let's see. Let's move it down a little bit and make it easy. Let's see. Okay, that's more realistic. And here, let's create new position keyframe and go to here. Let's move to the left. Let's preview. Okay, and last keyframe, let's create new position keyframe. Go to here and select first keyframe, copy paste. And for bounce animation, go to middle. Let's move it down. Nice. And here, let's add new keyframe. Let's move it up. Okay, I like it. And here, let's again move it down. So, select this muff layer and go to here. Let's press P, hold Shift, press R and create new position and rotation keyframes. And go to here. Let's select this muff layer. Let's move to here and change rotation. Okay, and here let's create new position and rotation. Go to next keyframe and let's move it up like this. Change rotation. Okay, and here let's create new rotation and new position keyframes. Go to next keyframe and select first keyframes, copy paste, and make it easy. Preview animation. Nice. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.